Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y76 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, tap on clock and select alarm by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, just repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. Save them by choosing OK. Then click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Now you can label your alarm however you wish to and save it by choosing OK. Following that, you can click on alarm sound and tap on one of those melodies to pick new alarm 1. But you can always click on this plus icon next to add new instead, pick music from your smartphone and go back. I will go with silent though, so now when I click on the back button, I need to save my alarm by choosing this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, it was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it, choose delete icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to adjust even more alarm settings, you can do that by clicking on those three dots over here, choosing settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!